Okay, so I'm just going to take you through the track Hail King Ras Tafari. Some of you may have heard the spoken word version, the dedication to Benjamin Zephaniah. So this is the musical version. So first of all, I start off with the drums. So I put some kick drum down, some hi-hat and snare. Here we go. Sounds something like this. So you got the hi-hat here. You got the snare drum, bit of reverb on there. We got the kick. And then I've also put Bob Marley sample rolls in. This one's from Who the Cat Fit. It's a nice roll. With a cymbal smash at the end of the roll. So it will sound something like this. Yeah. But I've also got some other tom rolls in there. This is all put in on the keyboard. The tom rolls. The sample roll is taken from a Bob Marley track, but the rest of the drums I put in on the keyboard. Okay, so when we put the whole beat together, it will sound something like this. Okay, so as you know, reggae music, drum and bass is the key. So if I put the bass line in there, and that's just a simple synth bass played in with the keyboard again. I'm just using GarageBand at the moment to knock up this track. Okay, so that's the drum section. Now, as you know, with reggae music, we have the rhythm section. Now, the rhythm section is composed of the guitar, the piano, and maybe a bit of, some organ. So I'll show you the rhythm section I put in. First of all, here's the piano on its own. Okay, and then we got a bit of guitar, chipping away together. And then we have some organ, which we call the bubble. And there's the organ on its own, bubbling away. So the whole rhythm section together will sound something like this. Okay, for this tune, I've used a real guitar. I've played in some guitar myself, plugged in the guitar and played in a nice riff to go over the top, and it goes something like this. With the piano. Yeah. Okay, so that's that. Now, with reggae music, it's always nice to have some percussion. So I'm going to show you the percussion that I've put into this tune. We've got some percussion blocks, and we've got a scraper. We've got a vibra slap, and we've got a cookie. So there's the percussion section. with the drums. And the rolls. Okay. Bass line. So when we add everything together, it sounds something like this. Rhythm section. And of course, last but not least, the guitar. And there we have all the instruments playing now. We just haven't got the vocals. With the vocals on, just click the link at the end of the track and you'll hear the full track all together. Yeah man, respect people, God bless. Rasta Pastor, Lion Art Qedamawi, God bless you all. Ja! That's it in a nutshell. How to build a reggae track. Respect.